The famous drinking bird toy is based on thermodynamic principles. Drinking bird I built is based on capillary action as well as siphoning. Before we go into details, let us briefly discuss the concepts I have used in this activity. Let me take these two empty glass bottles. I will fill one bottle with water. There are different ways by which I can transfer water from this glass bottle. I can use my hand, or I can use this hollow plastic sleeve to siphon the water out of this glass bottle. Or I can use this thick cotton thread and transfer water between bottles. We will add some blue ink so that water movement can be clearly seen. This is due to a phenomena known as capillary action. In fact, the word capillary means hair-like. This mode of water transfer is very slow compared to the siphoning mode. I use siphoning as well as capillary action mode to transfer water. Critical part of releasing water after a periodic interval is achieved by auto-siphoning. Let me show you how. We'll take this ball pen which has an empty refill. Let's cut the tip. Let us make a small hole with a hot rod at the bottom of this plastic container. Refill fits very tightly in this hole. Now, we will close the pen body from one end and place it on the refill from inside. If I pour the water in the container, water drains out as soon as it reaches the level above the ball pen. You can try this at home and understand how it works yourself. Now that I have shown you the concepts I have used, let me show you the initial arrangement. I have used everyday material like a bent straw, sketch pens, erasers and plastic bottle. Bent straw acts as an auto-siphoning pipe and drains water in this plastic container. Sketch pen holds all parts together. Water received is stored temporarily in this plastic container. Let us attach it to the sketch pen. We can move it like this to adjust the balance. This needle acts as a pivot for the setup. We'll mount it on a wooden block and another sketch pen. Eraser is used as counterweight and keeps the setup well balanced. Plastic bottle as well as eraser can be moved to adjust the balance. Thin wire sleeve along with metal wire is used to siphon out water from the source. Metal wire keeps the sleeve in place. Let us pour some water in the glass. Wire sleeve is used to siphon out water from glass container. We will gently place this end of the sleeve inside sketch pen. Plastic container at the other end collects the water siphoned out by the container. This is how water accumulates slowly in the plastic container. As more and more water gathers, the right side of the balance becomes heavier. It rises above the water source till the point water drains out. Arrangement tilts in the container at this point and process repeats. Now that our setup is tested, we can decorate it with the picture of a bird. You can also remove the sleeve and replace it with thick cotton thread. This time, water accumulates in the plastic container due to capillary action. This process takes a very long time. It was fun to build drinking bird mechanism, sharing some tinkering moments while I built it. Have a nice time. Thank you.